Hello, I'm Dima, and this is a quick overview of the example project for the Pi menu plugin. So this is just a basic third-person template from the Unreal with minor changes. And here we can see how this menu could be used. Okay, so this is generally the game. The first thing is that you can have common menu with whatever icons and however large number of items. This, that's basic stuff. Okay, this is a little bit more advanced version where you have some items skipped. As you can see, only 3 of them available. These items are custom rotated, another colors, another icons. That's sort of clear. That affects, you can note that this affects this item here, just to make sure that this works. So this is another level of complexity. The third level of complexity shows us that this menu can have unlimited number of, that this menu can be nested as many times as you want. This is like for 3 levels, but you can have as many levels as your screen space allows you. Alright, and sure, you can create this menu dynamically like this with whatever number of items you want. This is just a random number of items and they just work. So, like this, guys, simple project just to see how you can utilize the plugin. The link is in the description. So make great games, take care, like, subscribe, bye bye.